Hey Laura, okay, I wanted to check in about two things. I figured doing it via screencast would be super easy. First, there's something that's not sitting well with me about the website right now, and that is our icon on the upper left. It's too squished. We need our name to be bigger, and so I'm wondering if you can work out another icon for us where basically what I want is the triangle with the overlapping pier, and then next to that on the right hand side in larger font, I want the physics through evidence empowerment through reasoning. So it would look like, let's see if it will let me show you. Okay, so it would be this one on the left, and then right of that with a little space in between would be, ignore the top triangle, but would be just our title with the empowerment, physics through evidence and empowerment through reasoning, and it would be larger, like almost as tall as the triangle. Or, yeah, I would say all together with those two lines, it would be the height of the triangle. So I'm wondering if you could do that and then pop that into this folder, into our logo folder. Okay, so that was the first thing. The second thing is I just wanted to give you a quick little tour of, oh, it looks like you've made a new folder. Cool, maybe you've already taken a tour, but just really fast, I wanted to show you this. So basically, I've given you full sharing permissions in this graphics and icons folder. And I wanted to show you, so there's a couple of different places here. So there's the graphics for the website. So this is where I want you to put the assessment icons in this folder and the chapter buttons in this folder. And then I sent you a little message, but I wanted to just be sure it was clear. So I needed to get him something for the website. I don't think he's actually using it right now, but the great thing about Google Drive is if you upload something with the exact same title, all it will do is create a new version and update it. So I'd like for you to put the learning cycle graphic in with this exact same name, and then it'll just update this file. And then going back a level. So yeah, the logo, we already looked at that and I talked about that. And then there's a place for the suite icons here. And then oh, it looks like you're already putting the white icons in here, which is perfect. So yeah, it looks like you've already found your way around here, which is lovely. So then the third thing I wanted to talk to you about is I just met with Emily about the teacher's guide icons, and I just wanted to show you I wanted to walk through our thoughts, and I made comments, but I figured while I'm here on the screencast, I'll do this too. So since we're using the magnifying glass for the assessment icon, we actually just want this one to say tip. And I think what we would like to do is white letters in a colored box. And you can give us some, the different color options. What we decided is we like this color scheme that you've given us, and we want all of our icons to each be a different color from this scheme, we think, unless that ends up looking busy and then we'll go back and switch some stuff out. But yeah, so white letters in a colored box here. This one looks good. We're good to go. These ones, we think we like the orange one. There's a possibility that we'll change that, but I think for now, let's try with that. This one, we like the burgundy one on the top right. This one's good to go. Okay, this one. We like the second row on the left, this one right here. The only issue that we're a little concerned about is that so these teacher's guide icons live in the margin, and so it's better for them to be taller than they are wide. So I'm wondering if it would be possible to keep this whiteboard here, and just move the person over. So actually it would be kind of the layout as the one above, but we like this open whiteboard right here. And we liked the black and white with this one. This one we really liked. Did we pick a color? Oh yeah, purple. We like purple and we like it in the circle. This looks good. We're gonna see how they all look once we get them in the teacher's guide. Here we're thinking we like the green one. And then here we actually are thinking that, in order to promote like this circle discussion protocol, which we use so often, we would like to actually use this circle people icon that you made for us. We would like all the people to be one color in your color scheme, in your new color scheme, in one of the colors. And then this one, we like the blue one. So we're definitely landing on icons that I think are going to really work. So I think that's it. I let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, thanks for all your work on this. We'll talk soon.